What we were talking about? Yeah. It's funny. If I keep my visor up and the sun hits me in my eyes, it warms up my face. But if I look down, it doesn't. Isn't it funny? Temperature, heat, how that works out. Alright, sir! Okay, I was gonna lane split. As you guys know, puppy looking at me! He was intrigued. He was intrigued. I understand that dog. Dog looking at a dog. A dog, a Sentra with blacked out rims. He's doing it his own way. He don't care what anyone thinks. He's doing it his own way. Don't swap lanes, homie. Or I'm gonna backhand your booty so hard that your hair would fall out and you'll become bald. Bike CBR, I think, because out of that undertail exhaust. Ooh, McLaren. Gray McLaren. Son of a slut. Guess what I can do that you can't do ever? Lane split. Sir? Oh, dog. Sorry, dog. I love you so much. So much love for that dog. Dude's dog was staring at me because he saw what he saw and he wanted what he saw. Can't tell dogs, boys, or females or any of that stuff. That's how I said beach holes. Get it? Beach holes? But no. You know, like A-holes? Beach holes? But it says beach comba. I know nobody's going to be out. I kind of was expecting for motorcycles to be at least out, riders to be out, but I kind of knew that. Kind of expected that, so my expectations aren't up. But I did hope for nice sunny weather. That's happening. I did know it was going to be super hot, so that's happening. And I just wanted to ride, so that's also happening. So I'm happy with all those things. And I did expect for Nimbus to show me the worth of these earplugs. And I think we're going to be earplug users. Butt plug users, but for our ears. I think we're going to start doing that. I think we're going to start doing that. I think it's going to happen. Gone, bitch, we gonna count money, we gone. But yeah, I think we're gonna do that. Sometimes I don't know if I have to force myself to talk thug, or do I have to force myself to talk civil. I don't know that. I can't tell that yet. Can't tell what I naturally talk like. I don't know that. I'm gonna just a little bit. Ooh, Aston Martin. I've been rewatching the Bond movies because Daniel Craig is my male body lover. I'm not gonna lie, the new Aston Martins are pretty nice. The Vantage, the DB Killer or whatever. Them hoes be nice, and I want to cut. Oh, slut dog, man. That did not hit the mood of me calling him a slut, and then him, the horn. But I'm a high-pitched man, anyways, right? Dude should at least look to see what's happening. Ah! Blonde and a dog. Blonde and a dog. But yeah, Cyclist, dog, don't just switch lanes like that. I could've offed you right there, homie. I could've offed you right there, homie. I could've popped my trunk on you, slut! Oh, my voice cracked. But I also ran out of voice, so what's happened here? Bicycles have been thrown. Conversations are happening. People are getting undressed. Men in tights. And they're not people who lift. So what? That wasn't anything. I was gonna say, oh, Mark AMG, but who cares about that? Who cares about that? But yeah, we could have often. We could have offed that, homie, man. Range Rover, you dumb slut. You're supposed to slow down when you see that. Dude, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm delicate, son. Don't do it. Thank you. Do it now. Do it now. Hit that Range Rover. Damn it. People don't listen. People just don't listen. But yeah, when you see a cop, la policía, on the other side with the sirens on, you're supposed to slow down even if you're on the other side of the traffic. You never know if that dude's going to maneuver or anything. And plus, you don't want to be somebody who's bothering him in his awareness as he's going through traffic. Dude's already thinking about a lot of stuff right now and he's trying to go help someone. But that's not, we don't talk about that stuff, right? Because we're happy people. We're trying to spread positivity, not hatred. We're trying to spread love, not hate. So we don't talk about it. Man, why does it smell like ass? This entire time, it wasn't smelling like ass. And the place where I want to turn, it smells like ass. Why? Like, that doesn't make any sense. This entire time, this road did not smell like ass. And now, when I'm turning, it's smelling like ass. That doesn't make any sense. Like, God, what logic is that? This entire road, it didn't smell like ass. As soon as my turn came up to make a U-ey, that's when it started smelling like ass. Got it. He said that, and he pointed for me to go to hell. Alright. F you then, I'm playing up. He was saying there's a cop up in the hills. I don't know what that sign means. But we're not doing anything anyways. We're just riding around pretty. Ride around in this city, looking awfully pretty. Dog, leave me looking pretty. Don't hit me, thank you. Leave me, I want to stay pretty. I want to stay pretty, man. This feels a lot better. I got the sun hitting my butt cheeks, warming up the oven. I like that. We're cooking. And my eyes and face is all good. Smoking hot is what my body is described by females throughout the world. Alright? Throughout the world. This body is lusted for, not at the moment because I'm carrying a little bit extra baggage because of depression and quarantineness and no raw dog action, but we positive, alright? Body is still thirsted for. What is happening here, sir? Okay. Oh man, did they hit a cyclist? Or no? Oh my god, oh my god. That's what that guy was telling me. Okay. So I think a car hit a cyclist and she was bleeding, I think. Something like that. Or a car hit a car, but why would cyclists stop for that? I'm thinking it's a car hit a cyclist. You know the cyclist I was making fun of? Why do I do this? Why? I don't know who they are, but I open my mouth and all I pass is judgment. Why? To be funny and to make myself laugh. Why do I do this? Why do I do this? Why do I do this? What are you doing, dog? He's going there. Don't stare at me! Don't look at me! You got a job to do, son! Don't look at me! I'm not doing anything illegal by instead of being pretty, being hot, being aesthetic. We ain't doing anything wrong here. Staring at me like that, dog? You got a job to do back there. Go do your job, homie. Freaking butt creek. I don't know what that means. Well, that is a little tight, so I will go here and cool, because I can maneuver a motorcycle like that. What up, dog? You're too old, man. You're looking at me, you did this when you were younger. GT. That's a GT. I can tell you that's GT. Dude, blaze it for... Okay, never mind. I was going to say, blaze it for me, son. Blaze it for me, son. But they open up mine instead. So when you see things like that, be grateful that you are alive and healthy and well. That you are safe and secure, and you got that heat in your body, that hotness, alright? Even if the world calls you ugly, it doesn't matter, man. You yourself know you is high, alright? Spread love, not hate, man. Love yourself more than anything. Mustang, pop through if you want to get destroyed up in this club, alright? You running around with a Shelby, I'll crush you. I'm riding these streets, and when I'm on these streets, I'm king of these streets. No, Prince Vegeta. Sir, goddamn. My big mouth, man, my big mouth. I gotta stop doing this. I didn't know she was hurt. But I didn't make fun of her. I made fun of the other cyclists. So I think I should be good. But why open your mouth and judge anyone? Why be a slut like that, you know? Why not just be a good boy? I just can't help myself. That's who I am. But I love everyone. Well, if you're hot. If not, then I love you, but in a different way. Ooh, Jesus! Detailing. Christ came back from the grave or whatever, wherever he's, you know, chilling at. He came back to hand car wash. Wash your car with his bare hands, and he details. That's what Jesus be up to nowadays. That's what he been up to nowadays. Okay, I was curious when that homie gonna finally come back. He already back, and he already washing cars with his hands. Alright then. I feel like God would have given him some miracles so he wouldn't have to use his hands to wash cars. Okay, I need to pay attention. I've had so many close calls today just because I'm an idiot. Like, just because I'm an idiot, I'm having all these close calls. Now, was she hot? No. Why'd you let her cross the road and not make her wait? Alright? If she was hot, I would have freaking got out of the car, laid my body down, and have her cross over that. So her beautiful toes and feet, I don't have a foot fetish, by the way, wouldn't even have to touch the ground, the pavement. She wasn't even hot and you still stopped for her. Shorty got that booty blossoming. I don't know what that means. Well, I know what that means, but I still said it because it's